And in my dreams I've kissed your lips 1,000 times.
Yeah, just push.
I sometimes
Mr.
see you
Uncut.
pass outside my door.
All raw, no acetone.
Hello.
Nigga, yeah. Cherry Kush smoke rising off the blunt, and my hands stay dirty like I'm rising out the swamp, walking on quicksand. I do what niggas don't. Arm, money, wristband. I rock what niggas don't. Go to spots that niggas won't. Some of the realest shit I wrote. Put my mind in these rhymes and hear the illest shit I spoke. Dope like coke from off the boat. The more dough, the more it's a rush, like coking up your nose. I stayed up many nights with a metal and a stainless pipe. My vision is the street. Not a single soul can change my sight. I just wanna live my life, maintain it right. Some of my niggas dead, but my voice gon' keep them alive. Fuck starving, I had to eat, I had to survive. Took an oath to go harder until my demise, until the day I go to sleep and never open my eyes. I'd rather really get rich than to die while I try, getting high while I drive. You would never know the life like mine. No good shit but family, everything else is crime. You can only do your best, everything else is time. And it's ticket, don't wait, can't get back the time you waste. I came up from the dirt, you watch us with the diamond face. It's like it kill you slowly though, like watching roses die away. Hopefully my prayers heard. If I had to die today, if I'm apprehended, keep dough to fight the case. The way I live is horrible, with a square I might betray, but I say fuck 'em and go harder. Tearing shit up like getting hit with no armor. I'm a pimp for the chips, my bitch is a charmer. It was with the dough she made anything that I bought her. But she don't stand on the corner, in cars, out cars, lips they wet like water. Use the game I taught her, consistency, currency from the tricks that bought her. Pops wondering why I'm doing this to his daughter, but fuck Pops, if she coming with me then I got her. But I ain't kidnapping her handcuffs, she knows she can leave if she want to, and that's no bluff. Have you ever spent $50,000 on some shoes without a scuff? Gucci shit, Louis Stowe, you ain't never made enough. You say you're really with the shit, but that's the shit you're making up. Falsifying, lying, you ain't never knew about some trust. That's why you never have a whole pie, you only get the crust. Rhymes falling, real niggas in the game, eating ballin', never stalling, going faster. Rule in the book of power, never outshine the master. Everything dirty in the world now, even the pasture. So if I'm ever on the run, then I'm gone to my capture. Smoking kush, we call it master. Greenbacks is what I'm after. From a little nigga all the way to a fact.